Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI P30 Pro and I will show you how you can change your always on display theme. So at the first we have to go for the settings, pick home screen and the wallpaper, click on always on display and then pick here on the display style. As you can see here we got a lot of different themes that we can apply. We got the images, graffiti, artistic, analog or digital clock. We can also add our own photo, so I'm going here and I will select image from the gallery. So for example, I'm going to pick maybe this photo for our logo. Yeah, I'm going to pick this one. Click to confirm, and here we can also change position of that photo. Let's get it like that. And then click apply. As you can see right now on our lock screen, here we got our always on display. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.